Question 18, y equals 4x plus c. It tells you x equals 7.5 and c is 5.4. So work out the value of y. It's a bit of substitution. So we want to know what y equals. Formula says 4x, so 4 x's. And in this case, 4 lots of 7.5. And then we're going to add on c. So we're going to add on 5.4 in this situation. So 4 times 7.5. I'm going to push equals just to be sure that I've done the multiplication. So that's 30. Add 5.4. The answer I get is 35.4. So that would be my answer, 35.4. Part B says to work out the value of x. We're using the same formula, y equals 4x plus c, but this time y equals 18.8 and c is minus 2.4. So if we just write down what we know, y, in this case it's 18.8, is equal to 4x's, and we don't know what x is, so we have to leave that's 4x, add minus 2.4. So I'm actually going to just put that as subtract 2.4, because when you add a negative number it becomes a subtract. Now we need to know what x is. Now at the moment it would be really easy if we just had 4x here, because then, well, if you've got 4 lots of a number and you want to know what one of them is, we just divide by 4. Unfortunately we've got this take away 2.4. So to get rid of that, what we would do is I would add 2.4, just to get rid of that. To keep the whole thing balanced, however, it's not fair only doing it to one side of the equation. We have to do that to the other side as well. So I'm going to add 2.4 on the left side as well. Let's just resolve that before we do anything else. We've got 18.8, add 2.4, which gives us 21.2. I still have 4x, but minus 2.4, add 2.4, they cancel each other out, so that's all we're left with. So now I've got 4 of these. If I only want to know what one of them is, I'm going to divide by 4, and I'm going to do the same thing onto the other side of my equation, just to make sure that we keep that fair. 21.2 divided by 4 equals 5.3, which is my final answer. X is equal to 5.3.